think there's something rising out there. Well, I think I can see it. Looks good, boys. We're getting a few today. G'day fellas, welcome back to another video. Today, as you see, we're at the Maribyrnong. It's looking pristine, like really good. We've got a 30-32 degree day. It's hot, it's a little bit windy. Water's got some slight tinge to it, but I've already seen a fish rise. So, hope you're ready for this one. So strap in, grab some snacks, and let's get on the water, you legends. Alright boys, well if you haven't noticed already from the thumbnail, we're doing a bread versus corn challenge, so we'll see how we go. I reckon bread's gonna have a good chance of beating it in here because of the species there are, and I've roach corn, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna catch fish. So I'm gonna set these rods up quickly and get on the water for you. And if you want to see more of this sort of fishing, remember to hit that like button. The more likes, the more chance of me doing it. And if you haven't already, go back and like my last video, the Murray cod one, because it's nearly at 100, and at 100 I'm going for a part 2, and I'm going to try and land that Murray cod. So hang in there, like the video if you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you on the water. The first rod I'm going to put in is going to be the bread, and that is on the mussel tip. Hopefully we get a good fish. I want to get stretched a bit, and I've never been really past that choke point. Maybe a bit later I'll walk past that. Let me know if you want to see it, that choke point there. Yeah, look at that. Yep. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This feels massive. Oh my god, boys, we're on. I've got to get the net. He's rubbing on all this wood here. On the bread, boys. I can't go too tight because he was rubbing, and I'm worried he's already weakened my line. I can see the side of him, he looks big. Surely the use can hit that like button, boys. This is a quality fish. It's been slow, been here for a few hours. Oh, he's wrapped around the top dorsal fin. That's pretty sharp too, so I got to be careful. Let me grab the net again. Woo! You don't want to give up, man. Oh, come on. Look at that fish, boys. Oh, he wet me. You don't want to give in. Any of you want to send me a net with a longer handle? Fucking, I can't do this solo short net stuff anymore, man. I should open a PO box. What do you think? And you can send me some of your homemade lures I can throw, or just trial and error anything. Yes! Oh, that's huge, boys. I just had the fight of a lifetime, mate. That was such an insane fight on this carp. And I'm praying that I got it on video. I just looked at my camera and it said that it was frozen. If I didn't get that on footage, I'm very, very sorry, and I'm upset myself, but this fish is a monster. Like, no like meter or anything, but for a little river like this, insane fight. Small stretch of river. I'll get him out, I'll get a measure, get a close-up, and probably check if it actually recorded, because I hope it did. That was a hectic fight. Big fish. Alright, hang in there, boys. Like anyway, like the video and subscribe. Legends. Look at this, boys. 64 centimeters. Absolute chunk of a fish. Maribyrnong River. I actually have worms on that rod, and the one I caught it on had bread. The fact that the fish ate bread over worms and corn is pretty crazy to me, so bread's a winner so far. I'm going to stay for a bit longer, try to get a few more. And as I said, if I didn't catch that fish catch on camera, I'm very sorry for that. You can blame GoPro. So, appreciate you, boys. Let's get it knocked on the head. Yee! Have a look at that, fellas. What a rip snorter of a fish. Got to be happy with that. The big boy, he ate the bread, and I've got worms out still. I'm going to quickly chuck my bread rod back out, and like I said, pray that I got that on video. If I did, you will have a good time watching that. But I want to upgrade. If I can get one bigger than that today, boys, the least you can do is get this video to 100 likes. But remember, go back to the last video, Murray cod fishing, for a meter. Like it, get it to 100. I think it's on 80 something. Not many more likes, and I'll go back to a part 2. And you don't want to miss that, because there's some big fish in that area, and I'm bound to get one. So this boy might be coming home for bait for the part 2. Legends, eh? Like the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next fish in about 30 seconds. Legends. There goes again. Oh, pulled the hook. Alright fellas, that's it for me. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next episode, you legends.